You'll never guess what ingredient makes this quiche absolutely irresistible. Smoky, hearty, with a touch of garlic. Okay, I'll show you what it is. Let's head to Bekseb, a charming épicerie in Bacharach packed with Portuguese goodies. Here it is, the Alheira sausage. Perfect for a quiche with a twist. I'm also picking up some Portuguese chorizo and olive oil and, of course, a bottle of wine to match. My friend Bruno recommends this Chardonnay from the Douro. It's round and elegant with enough body to handle the richness of the sausage and a lovely freshness that lifts the whole dish. Right, time to cook. The dough, super easy. It's my foolproof quiche base, mixed in minutes, then chilled for a couple of hours. It really is so easy. While that firms up, I'm making the filling. I pair the smoky Alheira with sweet leeks. They balance each other beautifully. Fry the leeks until soft with a bit of wine and then leave them to cool down fully. And now we just need to assemble the quiche. Alheira is a soft, spreadable sausage. Just remove the casing and gently press the sausage meat onto the pastry base. Then add the leeks, pour over a quick egg custard, and it goes in the oven at 200 fan. But I'm adding some chorizo slices during the bake. And there you have it, a Portugal-inspired quiche. That's perfect with a glass of that Quinta de Cidro Chardonnay. And guess what? The quiche is just as delicious cold, so why not pack it for your next picnic?